Automating email campaigns in HubSpot. Welcome to today's video on automating email campaigns in HubSpot. In this video, we'll be exploring the various ways you can automate your email marketing efforts using HubSpot's powerful automation tools. Whether you're a marketer, sales professional, or business owner, understanding how to automate your email campaigns can help you save time, increase efficiency, and ultimately drive more conversions. HubSpot offers a range of automation features that allow you to automate email campaigns based on specific triggers, such as new leads, new contacts, or specific actions taken by your customers. For example, you can set up an automated email campaign to send a welcome email to new leads as soon as they're added to your database. Or you can automate a series of follow-up emails to nurture leads through the sales funnel. One of the most powerful features of HubSpot's automation tools is the ability to create custom workflows. A workflow is a series of automated tasks that can be triggered by specific events or conditions. For example, you can create a workflow that sends a series of emails to a lead based on their interactions with your website, such as when they download a white paper or attend a webinar. Another key feature of HubSpot's automation tools is the ability to use conditional logic. This allows you to create complex rules that can trigger different actions based on specific conditions. For example, you can create a rule that sends a specific email to a lead based on their location, industry, or job title. In addition to these features, HubSpot also offers a range of integrations with other tools and services. This allows you to automate your email campaigns even further by integrating with other marketing and sales tools. For example, you can integrate HubSpot with your CRM system to automate email campaigns based on customer interactions.